On this video today, I'm going to show you a new traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. The best part is that I'm going to show you one of the offers that will pay you high anytime you get a lead. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join Max Bounty, CPA Lead, OGRs, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are using CPA Group. So what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So the next step is that you are going to come right here. Once you are here, what you have to do is that you have to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a country where you can get offers to promote. There are a lot of different countries with different offers that you can promote to earn money. As you can see on your screen, all these offers that you are seeing, I have to promote them to people in the United Kingdom so that they can enter the requirements for me to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. But these offers, the payout is very low. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a country where I can get offers with higher payout. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for any country that you want. In this case, I'm going to search for Australia. So just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see it right here, Australia. Click on it. Once you click on it, we are going to scroll down. You can see the offers are loading. We are going to wait for it. As you can see, these are the offers that we can promote to people in Australia. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this offer right here. Claim your Aldi $500 voucher now. You can see the payout is $10.27. The requirement is pin submit. That means your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning the Aldi $500 voucher, and you are going to be paid $10.27. They have to perform the action on Android device and desktop. You can see it right here. So now what we have to do is that we have to get our affiliate link so that we can promote an offer like this to get many people in Australia to enter their mobile numbers so that we can be paid $10.27. So just click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning. This offer is only allowed in Australia. You can see it right here. If you want a tracking domain, you can click right here and then select any tracking domain that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. This is the payout, $10.27. So anytime you get a lead, this is the amount that you are going to earn. You can see the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. The next step is that we have to get a traffic source where we can get people who live in Australia to enter their mobile numbers so that we can get paid. So you are going to come on this website, addcash.com. This website is one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote your products, promote your services, or any affiliate link that you have. You can promote it on this website at a very cheap cost. They have different ad formats that you can select. You can see they have pop under and many others. If you click on ad formats, you see the different ad formats that you can use. You can see them here: pop under, interstitial, in-page push, native, banner, auto tag. So these are the ad formats that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can see. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can use the platform to advertise your affiliate link to people in Australia. To register, you are going to click right here, register. Once you click on register, you have to select advertiser. Do not select publishers, select advertiser. Once that is done, you can sign up with your Google accounts, or you can enter your email, enter a password so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now the first step is that you are going to run a campaign. To run a campaign, you can click right here, create a campaign, or you can click right here, create a campaign. Wherever you click, you can create a campaign. In this case, we are going to click right here, create a campaign. Once you click on create a campaign, the first step is that you are going to type the name of your campaign. So you can type something like Aldi voucher, something like this. Any name that you want, you can type it right here. Once you type the name of your campaign, you are going to scroll down. You can see device type targeting. You are going to select the kind of devices that you are targeting. In this case, the offer is allowed on desktop. It is not allowed on games console. So you are going to deselect that. It is allowed on mobile, so you are going to leave it. Tablet, it is allowed, leave it. You can see other devices. deselect that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see geo targeting. You are going to select the specific country that you are targeting. If you want worldwide traffic, you can leave it like this, but in this case the offer is allowed in Australia, so we are going to search for Australia. Click right here. Once you click on it, we are going to search for Australia right here, so type Australia right here. Once you type it, you can see Australia right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it has been selected. You can see it right here. If you want to target any region or city in Australia, you can click right here to select that, but in this case we are targeting all parts of Australia, so we are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see targeting the supply, so the source of traffic. You can see everything. Just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see user interest. If you want to target any kind of interest, you can do that. For example, let's just click on it. Once you click on it, you can target the user's interest. If you are targeting people who like arts and entertainment, you can do that. If you are targeting people who are interested in beauty and fitness, you can do that. Business and industrial, you can see a whole lot of different interests. Any of them that you want, you can select. But in this case, we are going to select all the interests, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see website category. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any of these categories. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, we are going to select all the categories, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device, operating system name and verse. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for Android. The offer is allowed on Android, so you are going to search for Android right here. Search for Android. Once you search for Android, you can see it right here, Android all versions, so select that. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the zone list. If you want to target any zone, you can do that. Connection type, you can do that, but in this case the offer is allowed on all connections, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a dialog box like this. You can see no, restrict adult, yes, allow adult. If you want adult traffic, you are going to click yes. If you don't want adult traffic, you are going to click right here, no. We want traffic from any kind of category, so just click right here, save preference. Once you click on that, click right here, yes, allow adult. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are the ad formats that you can select, so any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push, so select that. Once you select that, you can see creative URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link, so you have to go back on CPA group so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPA group, you're going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see you are going to type the title of your ad right here. You can come back on CPA group and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see description. You are going to write some brief information about the offer, so just come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you can see this is the description of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So let's delete this and then write it well. You can see enter your mobile number now to win. Let's type something like that, to win. I think this is okay. Once that is done, you can see icon. So you have to upload an image of the offer. To upload an image of the offer, you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you are going to put your pointer on the image of the offer and then right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once you click on that, you are going to save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click right here, browse. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the image, so you are going to crop it. Just crop it the way you want. You are going to crop it like this. You can see this is the preview of your ad on desktop. If you want mobile, you are going to select that. You can see on mobile, this is the preview of your ad. So now once that is done, you are going to click right here, save creative. Once you save the creative, the next step is that you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you are going to select the pricing model. If you want CPM, that is cost per mail, you are going to select that, which means you are going to be paying per 1,000 impression. If you want CPC, which is cost per click, you are going to select that. That means you are going to be paying per every click that you want. If you want CPA, that is cost per action, which means you have to pay per every action that your potential visitor takes. In this case, we are going to select CPC, cost per click. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. You can see this is the average byte. So if you want, you can select this. or you can enter your own byte. You can see the byte right here. In this case, we are going to select the average, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it right here. This is the byte. This is the amount that we are going to be paying per every click that we get. So click right here, save changes. Once you save the changes, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see tracking settings. We don't need to track anything, just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend per day on your ad? Just enter any amount that you want. Let me enter $30. Once you enter that, you are going to select this option right here, spread budget throughout the day. So select that. Once that is done, you are going to click on save capping. As you can see, that has been saved. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see budget and limitations. If you want to enter a total campaign budget, you are going to click right here, custom, and then enter the amount that you want. If you want unlimited, you are going to leave it unlimited. So any of the options that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to leave it unlimited. If the ad is not getting you results, you can log in and then pause it. So it does not matter the one you select, just select any of them. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see this is the summary of your ad. So you are going to read through everything that you have selected. If there is something that is not accurate, you can go back and then make the corrections. You can see this is the summary of the ad. You can see everything. If all the details are accurate, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create a campaign. Once you click on create a campaign, you can see congratulations, campaign was successfully created. Once your campaign is created, the next step is that you are going to deposit funds into your accounts. To deposit funds, you are going to click right here, finance. Once you click on it, you are going to select payments. Once you click on payments, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see the different methods of payment that you can use to deposit money into your account so that your ad can run. You can see Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill. You can see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency wallets. Any of them that you want, you can select it and then deposit money into your account so that your ad can start running, for you to get people in Australia to click on your link and then complete the action for you to make money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.